Hi guys, so today in this video, I'm going to show you how I cleaned the $8 couch that I purchased from the Goodwill. About the power of thrifting, baby. Look at this couch. It is super. First off, I forgot what these are called. What's the exact name? But I just love. What is this? So, stay tuned. Stay tuned. And I got to add some legs, but stay tuned. So initially, I was extremely skeptical in purchasing the couch because number one, I was afraid of bed bugs. So thoroughly inspect your couch prior to putting it in your truck and bringing it into your home. And stay tuned for an update on how I cleaned this fugly couch. So like I said, I know that this couch, whoever owned this couch had an animal. And I'm definitely allergic to some dogs. Next, I'm going to go in carpet odor eliminator. Now, I know this isn't carpet, but it's going to do the trick. At least I want this bedded in the sofa, couch, whatever. Then I'm going to go in and wipe it. Okay, now, got to do some scrub-a-dub-dubbing. Gonna use my Dr. Bronners Castile Soap, a little bit of Fabulous, and a rag. While this is drying, I'm gonna show y'all how I almost fucked this up. That's why I love YouTube. Uh-oh. Y'all see these water stains? These water stains wasn't on there. So clearly, I should have went to YouTube first, but I'm about to fix that. This is how the other side looked, but I just fixed it. So remember those water stains? They have disappeared. Thanks to some good old glass cleaner. Who would have freaking thought that would get water stains out of a freaking couch? But now you know. You welcome. I'm going to just do the entire couch like that. Just keep. First off, I had to show this. Oh, my feet. This, I literally just wiped down this arm. Like, literally. This motherfucker filthy. You hear me? I'm about to go change this water. So, I know I said I was going to paint it, which actually you don't paint. This type of fabric, you dye it. But now I'm gonna let the water. I can't believe this couch was $8 freaking. I just cleaned the mess out of it. This couch was filthy, okay? Filthy. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will upload more content. Thank you.